I just wanted to show you guys this. This is funny. And this is what I just climbed on top of the volcano in natural disaster survival. I'm surprised I even did it. How did I do this? How, guys? Guys, try and do this. It's like an Easter egg, some kind of crap. What's inside? I want to see. What's inside? What's inside? What's inside? What's inside? What's inside? Holy. Oh my god, there's actual lava in there. Oh my gosh! I feel like this is not the safest place to be. And I feel like I'm gonna die when it disappears. I just wanted to show you guys this. Oh my god, I lost my hand! Oh my goodness, I lost my arm. That is bad. I just lost my arm and my guy does not care. Oh, he got hit by a fireball! Ow! Oh my god. I guess that's what I get for standing on a volcano. Oh my god. And if you guys didn't already know, this is Zilla Gamer. I'm just doing another video. You never know. People, I'm just doing another video because I needed to record that. Oh god, I hate this map. Better not be another tornado, I swear. Guys, they have to put that on funny moments for YouTubers. Oh my god. This got hit by a fireball, lost my hand, then as soon as after that, my guy had no panic, and then all of a sudden he gets hit by a giant fireball. Oh god, I feel like it's gonna be another tornado. Or a blizzard or something. I'm going indoors, screw you guys. I'm going inside. By the hot oven. The literal hot oven. Oh, that's a window. Okay, guys, I'm hiding in this corner. I'm scared. Oh my god, that wall just turned to ice! What the frick? That wall just turned to ice, guys. What the frick is happening here? This wall just turned to ice. That's so weird. This wall just turned to ice. That piece of floor just turned to ice. And that giant enormous piece of ice. Oh my god! Oh my gosh! It's tearing away! Oh! I'm freezing! Hey, get me in the corner. I think the corner's the safest place to be. Oh my god, I just ran inside. You jerks! Stop piling in here. You're stealing all the warmth. I'm gonna hide behind people. Screw you guys. You guys are warm. I'm in this corner being warm. Oh my god. I've lost no health at all, guys. Oh, I got hit by a block. Oh, guys, I got the newest model of the Roblox hat. See? Look. See? Oh, yeah, you see it? You see? It's Roblox. What the frick? Let me in! Let me in the club! Let me in! Yes, I'm a survivor. Yeah, see, Zilla Gamer 1. Okay. So, guys, I'm just gonna start a series of this because this is really funny. I love this game. I think Roblox is one of my favorite games. This guy's crazy. Look at him. Look at this guy. He's black. Racist. Okay, not to be racist or anything, but this guy's black. Actual black, not brown. Black. Guys, I'm gonna change my shirt later on. Like, I'm gonna get like some kind of swagger jacket or something. Yeah, guys, I am actually a really bad YouTuber, but because I only have 1 subscriber when the day this video was made. But now, but later on, I might have like a million subscribers sometime soon. It's only like my 7th video or something. 8th. 9th, 10th, I don't know. Volcano has tons. If you guys want a real YouTuber, go to... Oh, crap! Tsunami! Where's the tsunami coming from? Comes out that way? I feel like it's gonna come from that way. Huh? Where's the tsunami? Is there no tsunami? Where's the tsunami? This is really high up, by the way, guys. Look at that. Oh my god, there's a tsunami! Hold your ground, man! Ah! We're safe. The tsunami's gone. Just don't fall. Because you'll probably die. Oh my god, that guy's falling in the hole! Ooh, who's this hot little girl? I'm just joking. She's not hot at all. She's a bad... She's like... Look at that. That's the worst player model I've ever seen. Look at that. You disgust me. I'm not looking at you. You're a jerk. Oh my gosh. I think we just went down. Hang on, I'm gonna go check this out. Check out this damage. Oh, come on. I was gonna go check out the damage. Who is this guy? He lost his arms and legs. Oh my god. Oh my god. That looks painful as crap. Oh my god. Holy crap. Look at this guy. Oh my god. He lost his arms and... Look at him. Oh man. Oh my god. This thing is driving a truck. Oh my god. Sandstorm. 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 Oh, get me behind that door. Get me behind it. Oh, we actually... Oh! One of those flying objects is me! What the frick? Oh, I got hit by a flying object. Oh, got him. Oh my god, that guy's trapped! I'll save you! I can't lift it up. I can't pick up stuff. Ow! I got hit! Oh. Get to the top quick. Oh, that's a good place. But not very stable. Just saying. Oh my god, that guy hit. That guy died. Oh my god. Get quick before it turns to sand. Oh, yes. Only a little bit of it has turned into sand. Oh, thank god. I died. Well, I'm dead. That freaking stinks. I can't believe I died. Because I fell off the ladder. I can't see crap, guys. Well, guys, I'm gonna go and... Well, guys, I think I might need to end the video here. See you guys in the next video. Hang on, let me just get this on my screen. Get off my screen, you idiot. I don't want that. I don't want that crap. I don't want that crap. I don't want that crap. See you guys in the next video.